We are continuing to follow the breaking news out of Washington, D.C. as the deadline expires for the Trump administration to provide more details on this past weekend's contentious deportations. Right now, the Justice Department officials inside the federal courthouse in D.C. ordered to provide more details on why a court order to pause that deportation of hundreds of Venezuelan migrants alleged to be gang members was ignored. President Trump now calling for the impeachment of the judge on Truth Social. And now the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court is responding. For more on this breaking news, let's get out to Elina Shirazi, who is standing by outside of that federal courthouse. Elina, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Nichole, Chief Justice John Roberts, really in a rare move coming to the defense of Judge Boasberg. He just put out a statement here. Again, this is something that we haven't really seen from a Chief Justice, him in particular. He says, quote, for more than 2 centuries, it has been established that impeachment is not an appropriate response to disagreement concerning a judicial decision. The normal appellate review process exists for that process. Now, I want to read you again President Trump's post on Truth Social. This is what started all of this. He says in reaction to the judge, quote, this radical left lunatic of a judge, a troublemaker and agitator who was sadly appointed by Barack Hussein Obama, was not elected president. He didn't win the popular vote by a lot. He didn't win all 7 swing states. He didn't win 2,750 to 525 counties. He didn't win anything. He went on to explicitly call for the judge's impeachment. Here is the second part of that. He says, quote, this judge, like many of the crooked judges I am forced to appear before, should be impeached. We don't want vicious, violent, and demented criminals, many of them deranged murderers, in our country. And he writes at the end there, make America great again. And again, we know that 15 judges have faced impeachment at some point. 8 of them were convicted. And we know that Judge Boasberg, he was appointed, he was confirmed by the Senate overwhelmingly, unanimously, 96-0. So again, this is something that the people wanted. This is something that, of course, Chief Justice John Roberts now, again, in that unique move, pushing back on. We may continue to see more fallout as more people continue to speak up and about this move here, Nichole.
Yeah, certainly developing right now. All right, Elina Shirazi, live there in D.C. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.